Good morning, it's Denise Donahue, your favorite mortgage nerd, and one of my favorite topics to talk about because the average consumer has no idea are what are the exact mortgage rules and guidelines that an underwriter has to follow versus sometimes what the bank tells you you have to have and what you need. So I can't go into too much detail, but to give you the Cliff Notes version, this right here, these are called MRI books. And this is what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and FHA, these are the rules that the underwriters and mortgage bankers have to abide by to qualify you for a home loan. It's got things in here like credit, income requirements, down payment requirements, all of that. So what happens is that sometimes you get asked for something that might seem a little nitpicky, or sometimes an underwriter will actually say, I'm sorry, you don't qualify for this home loan because, for example, we need 2-year tax returns. But that is actually not the case. That bank just adds what's called an overlay to these guidelines to protect themselves. So it's important when you're interviewing a mortgage banker and you're out in the market getting pre-qualified that you're working with a lender like myself that underwrites strictly to the MRI books, and we call it the golden rule. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac lend the money, so the ones that lend the money write the rules, but we do not add overlays to our products. That makes it easier for you to qualify. It makes it a black and white decision saying, yes, you do qualify. There's no surprise right before closing saying, oops, we need something else, because it's very consistent and we know up front what the rules are. So when you're interviewing with a mortgage banker, just make sure you ask, do you underwrite directly to the guidelines? And if you're working with a big bank, usually the answer is no. Give me a call or email me. Of course, it's Denise at yourfavoriteMortgageNerd.com. Take care.